Okay, so now since you have written your introduction and you've done your rough draft, now we need to wrap it all up like the little bow on a present, and we need to write our closing. So our closing is just going to include telling us that those were the reasons for why we wanted whatever you wanted to happen, and then have it so that you end in a way that makes them want to do what you are trying to persuade them to do. So for mine, if you remember, I wanted the district to give us every Friday off. So I might start my closing out by saying, these are the reasons all teachers should have Fridays off. Please consider changing the schedule to give us 3-day weekends. So I told him that those were my reasons that I thought we should get Fridays off. And then I asked them again one more time to consider changing the schedule to give us a 3-day weekend. So for yours, you need to think about your subject and what you're trying to persuade your audience to do. And you need to write on your paper your closing that tells me that those were the reasons and what you want to happen. All right, go ahead and get started.